Hey play cousin, welcome back.
Want to forget you, but I can't. When it's good, I'm baby. When it's bad, I'm crazy. I don't know what it is lately. All I know is I ain't gonna keep this up. We can make it if we make it my life.
Hey play cousin, welcome back. And if you are new to my channel, be sure to hit the subscription box down below. Now in today's video, today I'm going to be cooking some salmon with some asparagus, and then I'm going to be eating the rest of the leftover mashed potatoes from my previous food video, okay? So, we pretty much get these, like, big ass things of salmon from Walmart. This one was $18.58, and it's like a nice thick enough slice, like it's thick. It's pretty reasonably sized. Now when you're cleaning salmon, you want to make sure you're using like cold water, because salmon cooks so fast, and then you don't want to be using hot water when you're rinsing off your fish, because if you use hot water, it's going to make it cook unevenly pretty much. So I'm pretty much going to open up the salmon like this, and then I'm going to cut it in half, just so it can fit inside of my pan. So then I just take the pieces and then I lay them flat into my pan like this, like so. And if you have like a smaller family, then you can, only cook like 1/2 of it at a time. Okay, so this is what that's looking like. I don't use that many seasonings, I feel like, when I'm cooking salmon. You guys are going to notice that I cook a lot with smoked paprika, so I'm going to add just a little bit of that, just to give it a smoky flavor, because we're not smoking it. I'm going to be going in with a little bit of lemon pepper seasoning, just because I personally, when I think of seafood, I like a nice citrus taste to go over it. I'm going to go in with a little bit of onion powder. I'm going to be going in with just a little bit of garlic salt, because you don't want to make it too garlicky. Last but not least, we're going to go in with some sea salt. And then you just then I take half of a lemon. And the key to, if your lemon's not very juicy or it doesn't seem as juicy to you, make sure you roll it and then you put it in the microwave for like 20 seconds, and that'll bring the juices to the top, okay? And so then I'm going to be squeezing that lemon juice right on top. And then I'm going to be going in with some country crock. I'm going to be going in with some country crock butter. Take a butter knife and just add like 2 pieces right on top, right? Just like that. 1 piece and then 2 pieces. And what butter does is it helps your salmon not to dry out. I'm going to take my aluminum foil and I'm going to pretty much cover this. The thing is salmon cooks so quickly, so I'm gonna be cooking my asparagus while this is in the oven. And I always like to cover my food, especially like my meat, when I'm cooking it, just because I feel like it keeps all those natural juices and all those good flavors and stuff inside, like on the inside. And then my oven is already preheated to 375, and then I'm just going to add this in there and let it cook for about 15 minutes. And I'm just going to add that to the water. Okay, just like that, like so. I love asparagus. If you never had it before, just try it one time. You may or may not like it, but I like it. I'm going to take about this much butter, add that to it. And I'm sorry, I'm not a person. I don't like to eat no crunchy vegetables. Like, I don't need it still crunchy. I don't like my green beans still crunchy. I like them soulful. And so I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic salt to this. A little bit of onion powder. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, regular white salt. And then I just let that cook. So this is how you pretty much want it to look. It's done. I ain't mean to cut this piece looking this crazy. But like, I like for mine to still be pink, but not like, you know, orange. You know what I mean, like not that orange color that it is when it's not cooked all the way. So that's pretty much the finished product. This is the leftover mashed potatoes from yesterday, and then these are the asparagus, and this is the salmon. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to like my Facebook page at facebook.com/deedeemichelleyt. And until next time, bye guys.
Got me thinking like, alright. If something just not right, no, nobody this right, no, nobody this right. Maybe that's why, I'm always trying to pick a fight when there's nothing I don't like about you, cause you're so perf. Everything you do is so perf. Wake up in the morning so perf.